Hello and welcome to Iris Grove Management Group's Pump Programming Series. Today we are presenting Axiflow Technologies. Just a quick introduction, my name is Jessica Whiteknight. So why Axiflow? Well, Axiflow Technologies and Jung Process Systems bring to the sanitary market a revolutionary pumping system that's setting new benchmarks for wide-range pumping applications. They have one and only focus, which is pumping, but they do so by blending and mixing simultaneously without having to have additional pumps. They have a proven record of success and they're 3A and EGMG certified. The first pump we're going to talk about today is the Axiflow STS series. This is a twin screw pump. Now, this twin screw pump can process viscosities from less than 1 to over 1 million. It has flow rates less than 1.5 GPM to 2,500 GPM. It has differentiated pressures that it can handle up to 725 psi. It can work with temperatures to 425 degrees. It's pulse-free. Its speeds range from 10 RPMs to over 4,000 RPMs. It's fully CIP-able, has an all stainless steel bearing house, no casting parts. As you can see in the image, there are many different sizes available in this pump to meet your manufacturing needs. Let's watch a quick video of the twin screw pump in action. So here you can see all the components that make up this Axiflow twin screw pump. This pump will process through your applications such as yogurt and ice creams and mixing in larger things such as raspberries and blueberries simultaneously without crushing or destroying parts of the product. It is bi-directional and we're able to pump both ways. And most importantly, it is CIP-able. You can run those cleaning solutions through it without having to take the part. Okay, so that again was the Axiflow twin screw sanitary displacement pump. Let's move on and check out the next pump in our series, which is the Axiflow Aximix. This machine has simple set features. No more needing to mix your ingredients in batch tanks. You are able to simultaneously and continuously mix your process ingredients together using this Axiflow Aximix. It has infinite mixing possibilities. So it's going to continuously blend your solids and liquids homogeneously. You are able to meter each ingredient into the chamber so you know how much of your product is being mixed together. Here are some of the common mixing applications. You could do pie fillings, potato salads, doughs, dips and salsas, baked beans, many different things. There's going to be a series based on your needs. The N series is going to blend yogurts and fruits and different ingredients. The P series is going to blend chocolate and larger inclusions, maybe doughs and batters. The S series, you can blend your processed cheese, marshmallows, and hot molten candies. Your H series is going to blend some vegetable oil, suspensions, and emulsifications, kind of thicker stabilizers. Now let's watch here. We have the solid liquid mixture. As you can see with the Axiflow Aximix, all the components come apart here. You'll have the rotor, the casing flange, the dry shaft, and as they all go back together, we are going to see some example processing solutions. Here we have our chocolate and our nuts being pumped and continuously being blended and mixed. Next, let's add some fat mass, cookie pieces, and maybe some flavoring. Again, it's pumping this solution through the pump, mixing it and combining it simultaneously. You're going to get a homogeneous mixture. Here we have some cocoa powder, some fat, and some flavor. So we have 2 different additives to our main mixture that we're mixing together. Let's try some fresh cheese and spices. You can see that the product is not getting broken up. It's gently mixing those even thicker viscosities. And very importantly, we have the CIP solution. It is going to be able to run that solution through this mixer and clean it so you don't have to manually take it apart every day. So that was the solid to liquid mixture. Let's try the liquid to liquid mixture and see how this operates. So this is the dynamic inline mixer. It's the S series. Let's take a look at it as they break the components apart. You'll have your rotors, your casing flanges, your drive shafts all going together so that it's able to pump and mix your liquids. We have your main product going through the pump. We're adding the first additive to pump and mix. Then you can add your second additive. You can see how it's being processed through and continuously being mixed. And again, like all Axiflow pumps, here it is CIP-able. You'll run that CIP solution through the Axiflow Infinimix. Okay, we're going to talk about another pump in the series. Here we have the Axiflow hopper pump. The hopper pump is going to be able to handle a little bit more viscous ingredients. It has longer shaft screws. The flange is 2 times wider. You won't need to de-water your products. You're going to be able to put them in and get a homogeneous slurry. As you can see, you can use it for ground beef. You can use it for fruits and vegetables, potato salads, cheese curds, many different application options. Now, we have the Axiflow Aximix. This is a powder and liquid induction system. It is patent pending, customizable to your manufacturing plant, and there's no need for an inline mixer. With its capable sucking powders into low viscosities and liquids, as well as high viscosity liquids. The more viscous, the Axiflow pump only becomes more positive. And it has some of the highest range speeds in those positive pumps in the competitive market. Here are some of the common applications. You can do cough syrup, applesauces, fruits and juices, even toothpaste. So with all that said and done, which Axiflow pump could you use in your manufacturing plant? Give us a call or email us today. We have an easy pump specification